Empires don't begin with armies. They begin with an idea. Enemy. A single word that slips into a million hearts and redraws every map. You think you found your villain out there, the traitor, the system, the face you can't forget. But what if the most dangerous battlefield is carved behind your own eyes? Because every time you point a finger, the bars of an unseen prison slide into place around your mind. So before you choose who to hate next, ask the question. No conqueror dares to whisper. Why do you need an enemy to feel alive? An enemy is not a rival. A rival sharpens you. An enemy is someone you wish to see erased. It's a silent declaration of war in your mind. The line is crossed when a person's single action becomes their entire identity in your eyes. They are no longer a human who made a mistake. They are a villain. And that switch from person to monster is how private hatred becomes a public crusade. We believe the enemy's purpose is to destroy, but its true power is in construction. For any group, an enemy is the ultimate building tool. We define us only in opposition to them. Nothing forges unity faster than a common foe, simplifying a complex world into a single target for our fear. But this fortress of unity is a prison in disguise, built on hate. When a group feels lost, it will conjure an enemy just to feel powerful again. This is where it turns lethal. The enemy ceases to be a person and transforms into a symbol of evil in your mind. This is dehumanization. The moment you label them a monster, casting them outside the circle of humanity, any atrocity becomes justifiable. They become a blight to be cleansed. This blinding moral certainty is the permission slip you write to yourself, authorizing acts of cruelty you would otherwise never imagine. Are you doomed to repeat this cycle? No. You have heard, love your enemies. This is not passivity. It is a declaration of war against the programming in your own mind, the ultimate act of rebellion. True victory isn't destroying the person before you, but mastering the poison within you. It means forging an identity, not in opposition to another, but from your own unshakable character. The idea of the enemy is a potent force, a private feeling used for public unity and war. Understanding this gives you the power to recognize and challenge its hold on you. The real enemy is inside you. It's the quiet voice telling you to blame others, to stay comfortable in your hate. So the question is not just who is your enemy. The real question is, why do you need one? The answer reveals more about you than them. Fight that enemy, and you will win the only war that truly matters.